Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back to NPS Official. I hope you all are fine and doing great at your homes and doing very well preparations for your board examination. I am back here with another helpful video for you. Don't forget to subscribe NPS Official and watch this video till the end because in this video I'm going to tell you about some important chapters for the translation paragraphs which will contain 8 marks. That is very huge marks for you to gain it. So let's start with the video for the first unit number 1. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an embodiment of justice. The first one paragraph that is important in your first chapter is paragraph number 2. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam practically proved that no one could be more just and equitable than the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam of Allah Almighty. And the next very important paragraph from this chapter is paragraph number 7. While Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was on his deathbed, he proclaimed, it is quite important. From unit number 2, Chinese New Year, we have also some important paragraphs. Paragraph number 4, New Year's Eve dinner. ठीक है, ये इसकी स्टेटमेंट है, आप बुक से देख सकते हैं, ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. Paragraph 5, it is also very important in unit number 2, Chinese New Year. Giving good luck gifts, you can see from your book also. From unit number 4, first aid, we have important paragraph about the clean the wound. First line is rinse out the wound with the clean water. I'm also providing you the translation, you can also avail it. From unit number 6, televisions versus the newspapers, we have also some important paragraphs for translation. Paragraph number 1, news coverage. Our television is different from reading newspapers. It is very important. Paragraph number 2, it is also very important according to the board. Paragraph number 6, each medium has strengths that the other does not. It is also very important क्योंकि ये बोर्ड में बहुत दफ़ा repeat हो चुका है. So students, I have already told you about the most important paragraphs from the first 6 chapters. For translation, you have to prepare it very well because your paper are quite near and you should focus on your studies also now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe NPS Official, like and share with your fellows also.